The Mulga parrot is endemic to arid scrublands and lightly timbered grasslands in the interior of Australia. The male is multicolored, from which the older common name of many-colored parrot is derived. Here observed a flock drinking on a pond in the Outback. The Australian ringneck is a large parrot, differing in size and plumage in different regions. There are 4 subspecies in 2 main groups. All are mostly green, with an obvious yellow band on the hind neck. Blue bonnets live in arid and semi-arid areas, on plains with low shrub layers such as saltbush and sometimes scattered trees or open woodland. Filmed in the Outback. The princess parrot is one of Australia's least known parrots, because it is so elusive, even though it is spread across the interior of Australia. This species was filmed in an aviarium in Alice Springs. Bourke's parrot is a small parrot, which is mostly grey-brown above and pinkish below. It has a prominent area of white around the eyes, giving a spectacled appearance. The yellow-tailed Black-Cockatoo is a large cockatoo found from South Australia to central eastern Queensland, while the red-tailed Black-Cockatoo is found in mainland states. This one was filmed in Kakadu. The cockatiel is now classified as the smallest of the cockatoo family. They are native to Australia, widespread in the interior of the continent.